Time now to head over to Met Éireann for the general and sea area weather forecast with Andrew Doran-Sherlock.
Thanks, Fiachna, and hello from Met Éireann. Well, we have a rainfall warning for Galway and Mayo active, as well as wind warnings for some western coastal counties and another for southern coastal counties. All run through tonight and into tomorrow morning. But for tonight, rain becoming widespread, heavy and squally at times with a risk of spot flooding, especially in Connacht. Blustery out there too, with southerly winds increasing fresh to strong and gusty, with gales already along western coasts. Lows tonight of 5 to 9 degrees. Tomorrow, the rain will clear eastern areas during the morning, but heavy and squally showers will follow from the west, becoming widespread with a risk of hail and isolated thunderstorms. But there will be sunny spells too. Continuing blustery as well, with fresh and gusty southwesterly winds, strong on coastal areas, especially in the west. And it'll be a cool, blustery day on Sunday with further heavy and thundery showers. Now for the sea area forecast. There's a gale warning in operation for all Irish coastal waters. The meteorological situation is a depression of 959 hectopascals, centred approximately 380 nautical miles northwest of Erris Head, generates a strong to gale force south to southwest airflow over Ireland. Associated fronts will cross the country overnight. Forecast for Irish coastal waters from Roaches Point to Sline Head to Malin Head. Southerly force 7 or gale force 8 and gusty, reaching strong gale force 9 at times. Decreasing southwesterly force 6 to gale force 8 and gusty imminent. Strongest north of Sline Head. Later decreasing force 6 or 7 and gusty. Forecast for Irish coastal waters from Malin Head to Howth Head to Roaches Point and for the Irish Sea. Southerly force 7 or gale force 8 and gusty imminent. Soon decreasing southwesterly force 5 to 7 and gusty. Weather for all Irish coastal waters in the Irish Sea. Rain tonight, showers tomorrow with a risk of hail and isolated thunderstorms later. Visibility for all Irish coastal waters in the Irish Sea. Moderate to poor in precipitation, otherwise good. Now the outlook for a further 24 hours. Strong to near gale force southwesterly winds, veering westerly and increasing gale force on western sea areas Sunday evening. Weather, squally showers, some heavy, with a risk of hail or thunder. And now the coastal reports. Malin Head, south, 24 knots, light drizzle, 16 miles, 993, falling rapidly. Buoy M5 off the southeast coast, south-southwest, 23 knots. The visibility at Tusker Lighthouse is greater than 10 miles. 1004 at the buoy, falling. Roaches Point, south-southwest, 30 knots, gust 41 knots, cloudy, 6 miles, 1000, falling. Valentia, south, 22 knots, gust 38 knots, recent drizzle, 5 miles, 995, falling rapidly. Belmullet, south, 37 knots, gust 53 knots, light rain, 1.8 miles, 987, falling very rapidly. And finally Dublin Airport, south, 13 knots, gust 23 knots, cloudy, 16 miles, 1000, falling. That's the forecast. Thank you and have a great night.
Thanks very much, Andrew Doran-Sherlock there at Met Éireann. Now to take us up to midnight, Colm Macinyamarith Nosig and I'm sure.